Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you the fastest ways to load the balance onto your due prepaid SIM card in the UAE in 2026. So whether you have a physical scratch card or you want to use your phone to pay instantly, these steps will get you topped up in just a few seconds. So first of all, the most traditional way is using a recharge card or voucher. So once you have your card, you just have to search the back to reveal the pin. After that, you need to open your phone's dial pad, and here you just have to simply type *135. Then you need to type star again. After that, after this star, you just have to provide your pin, and then you just have to press the hash. So you need to type it just like so, and then simply press the call button. So as soon as you do this, you will see a confirmation message on your screen. Now the second thing that you can do is you can just simply use the DU mobile application. So when you come here and when you log in your account, simply click on the option of shop. Over here, select the option of prepaid. Then it is going to redirect you on the offers page where you can select your plan, and then you can just basically make the payments with the help of your Google Pay, Apple Pay, or any of the credit cards. Now you can also recharge using the USSD menus. For that, you just have to simply dial *135 hash and a menu will appear on your screen. From the options given, you can select the option of recharge and follow further on-screen instructions in order to make the payment and get the recharge done. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.